Anytime now, and they're on their way. Mas masaya sa Pinas. Draws for your lead. Superior Joe moving up at the center, then followed by Ion by the railwise decision. Connor Top Notcher, and comes so lucky Maris Manpower is in behind them, about to pass the half-mile pole. Superior Joe in command, followed by Ion. Mas masaya sa Pinas. Connor Top Notcher now getting closer in port. Wise decision is by the rail as they round towards the 600 with Superior Joe leading the field. Connor Top Notcher now running in second. Wise decision is by the rail. Mas masaya sa Pinas as the action turns for home. Superior Joe leading the field. Wise decision. Connor Top Notcher is splitting horses, and down the stretch they come. Connor Top Notcher running in between runners. Wise decision. Superior Joe mas masaya sa Pinas. Ion with 150 to go. Connor Top Notcher, Superior Joe mas masaya sa Pinas. Was decision with 75 meters. Connor Top Notcher winning this race over mas masaya sa Pinas, close with Wise decision. Then comes Superior Joe. Ion.